Hi, this is a quick Curvy 3D tutorial into how I made ornamentation for this armor piece. I start with the cube and then I rotate it a quarter of the way round to make a sort of a ramp up and down. Then I use brush strokes to turn the cube into a nice swirly pattern. I decrease the radius, turn on the pointed ends, and increase the resolution to make it a nice smooth shape. Now once we've drawn one stroke, we can either copy it, or we can just use the Add Curve tool to add more strokes in the same style. So with the brush stroke selected, I use Add Curve and it'll make a second stroke. Press S on the curve to smooth it out. And now I have two parts and I want to make a symmetrical pattern. So I'm going to bake these strokes into meshes by pressing K and then join them together using Ctrl+J to make it into one mesh, which makes them easier to work with. Then I do Ctrl+C and then edit paste mirrored, and I have a nice symmetrical design. Again, I can join those together to make them easier to handle. Next, for my armor piece, I'm going to use a Loft. You could use lathe as well. Basically, one of the main Curvy primitives will work well with this technique. I'm just tilting the edge ends of the lathe so it gives it a more rounded look. And then with the Loft selected, I do Deform Fit Surface, and then I drag my mesh with the ornaments on as a child to that action. And finally we move the location box by clicking location in the little pop-up and moving the yellow box so it covers my ornaments, and then press Y to update the ornament's position on the loft. And that's a very quick way to make ornamentation for your sculpts in Curvy 3D. Curvy 3D is free to try. From curvy3d.com you can download a 30-day trial. Enjoy!